The Oppo Reno 16 family is coming soon, and today the Reno 16 Pro has been spotted at the NBTC, where it's received its certification for sale in Thailand. The phone has the model number CPH2863. Based on recent leaks and certifications, the Reno 16 Pro is positioning itself as a camera powerhouse with high-end performance. Tipped to feature the MediaTek Dimensity 9500's chipset, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. A major selling point is the rumored 200MP primary sensor, accompanied by a 50MP periscope telephoto lens, 3.5x optical zoom, and a 50MP ultra-wide camera. Likely to sport a 6.78-inch 1.5K LTPO OLED flat display with a 120Hz refresh rate and peak brightness reaching 5000 nits. Expected to house a massive 7000 mAh battery with support for 80W wired and 40W, 50W wireless charging. China, expected to range between 4,000 Chinese yuan and 5,000. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.